Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And have you ever wondered why the privacy of an iPhone is much more better than Android? And one of the major reason is the iMessage. Now what is this particular is iMessage? Now iMessage is sort of a default app, and in this particular video guys we are going to talk about this iMessage and why it is so much important and secured compared to a traditional SMS or a WhatsApp. So let's get started. So guys, what is iMessage? iMessage is nothing but a default messaging application available for iOS, and most of the iOS users and who are using iPhones and all, they swear why this iPhone's default messaging application, that is the iMessage, is so much better than the others. So guys, iMessage, as you all know, it uses the internet connection to send messages across, and this is exclusively available from Apple, and all the iOS devices and all the Apple devices can use the iMessage and send messages between the Apple users and all. So one of the major advantage of using an iMessage is the ecosystem, guys. So suppose you get an iMessage on your iPhone, and then the same message can be continued even on your Apple Watch or something like your Mac. The ecosystem is so good that you can read the same iMessage across all the devices. If you are having like multiple iPhones, as I do, you can definitely read the iMessage from one iPhone to the other without synchronizing it. One of the best part about the iMessage, which is the security part. As you all know guys, the iMessage is end-to-end encryption, enables the user to send message securely. This maintains the privacy of the user, and the iPhone people, they just swear with this particular iMessage, and this is one of the best reason to buy an iPhone. Some people actually go out and buy iPhone only because of the iMessage. Also, one of the major reason why to use the iMessage is totally free across all the iPhones and all, and you don't have to install a separate app to get this iMessage. Only thing, you just have to activate it for your iPhone. So just consider this case scenario guys. If you buy an Android phone, you need to set it up, then need to install some default messaging app and some third-party apps like WhatsApp and all, then set the phone number and then set it up again. That would take a lot of time. But if you buy an Android phone, this is the process which you have to do. But just in case of iPhone, all you need to do is just go directly to your iMessage and just put your iCloud password, and then boom, y'all are there, and y'all can directly send iMessage to all the buddies who are having the iPhones and all. So this is one of the great points about the iMessage, why I personally like it. So most of my people, they are on iOS platform. They really, it becomes very seamless when I'm communicating between them rather than using a third-party messenger like WhatsApp. Another thing what I want to emphasize is the iMessage, you can send it as an SMS also. Just in case of there are places where you don't get internet connection and all, your iMessage won't be sent as an iMessage, it will be sent as an SMS. So basically what happens is you get this blue color bubble, whenever you are having a conversation, it just shows you the blue color bubble. That means the other person receiving and is also having an iMessage. Suppose you cannot send it an iMessage, or you are sending it to an Android user, that time it sends as a green bubble. That just means when it comes green, it just means it is sending as an SMS. And also guys, if you, even irrespective whether you have the SMS or the iMessage, the message still can be sent. Also there are cool things like Memoji and all, which you can have the sort of your 3D kind of video, sort of an animated. So if you don't know Memoji and all, we'll be also creating a video on this. So please make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel and please press bell notification icon. Also, if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button, helps my channel a lot, and sharing this video will really help me. And what happens is this Memoji is something like a 3D sort of an animation video of your phone, and it's like a better way of sending emojis. One of the top reasons guys why you all should consider using an iMessage, especially if you are having an iPhone, not something like a WhatsApp or a WeChat, or there are other things like Telegrams and Facebook Messenger and all. A reason is guys because first of all, it is end-to-end encrypted. Something like Telegram, then Signal and and WhatsApp, they are also end-to-end encrypted. iMessage is not just monitoring you for showing you ads and all, whereas something like WhatsApp and all, it is going to monitor your data to show you better ads on WhatsApp or Instagram next time when you visit those kind of apps. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creativesoft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.